for the Olympics. We've got the home insulation boss right here. You don't need fancy tools to perfect a concrete finishing. Just use the items at hand in a clever way. These workers' speedy cement delivery knows no bounds. While maneuvering this beast all on his own, this guy is digging a tunnel to the future. For those who consider themselves electrical experts, you've got nothing on this woman's mastery. You can't get flawless pavers without a perfectly prepared base like this first. It's simply impossible to make window trim as high quality as this worker. Those flawless seams will keep you hooked for hours. A budget-friendly brick wall, just sponges, glue, cardboard, paint, and this incredible craftswoman. This builder's nimble hand allows him to plaster at awe-inspiring speed. Incredible! You know what's crazy? Here's a super easy way to lay tiles perfectly that no one but this man has thought of. I'm speechless. This guy fixes stairs with liquid plastic just like icing on a cake. This guy has the artist's touch because he turns construction into pure art. Like the video if you want one of those sons too. The excellence of this work ensures that this design will last for decades. Believe it or not, this stonework is just a brilliant imitation made from cement and expert brushing. I am amazed at the expertise of people who can create and assemble propellers for huge ships. Don't blink, or you might miss the coolest roofing technique ever. And this worker nails the finishing touch perfectly on the first try. These rock crushers are more synchronized than a Swiss watch. The word impossible isn't even in this worker's vocabulary. To get the job done perfectly, this builder simply turns off gravity.